Alright guys, I'm out here on Lake St. Clair. I'm going to be answering another question for you. One person asked, could you put a board up on the side here, running from here to here, so you could sit up higher and still have good balance. As you can see, the lake's not too choppy right now. I mean, there's a slight chop, but I'm going to put the board up and see just how good it works, and hopefully it works well because the water's pretty darn cold right now. So let's give it a try. On the paddle keeper for this because I don't have my leash on it right now and I don't want to lose it. Alright. Slide forward my seat here. Alright, let's give this a try. Forward on the side, sitting on it, see if you can still keep your balance. Alright, getting up there is a little tricky, but once you're up here it's really not too bad at all. I'm gonna break my paddle down. It's gonna be a little hard to paddle as a two-piece kayak. Folks, bad idea. Alright, sitting up on the board on the FS10 kayak, bad idea. Full of water, heading back into shore. Thanks. I will put up a new video for you with any more questions.